everyone, this is Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers. Thank you for joining us for episode 7 of the Craft Studio Renovations. This is the grand opening, so come on in and let's see where we're at today. All right, welcome to the new studio. I know in the last video, this room was kind of set up already, and so it probably looks very similar. There are a few different additions, but first I want you to know that the walls are still a little bare, and that is because that is the last thing I am getting to is decorating. And so as soon as I can and I have it all figured out and situated, I will do another video where it is fully done. But other than the decorations on the wall, which I know will make a big impact, the studio and everything is finished. So let me take you through and show you a little bit of what we've done in the last few weeks since we filmed the last episode. So up front we have a couple displays, and then I have a shelf over there where I have a bunch of all-inclusive Stampin' Up kits, and I sell those when I do my craft days here, or when people come to classes and maybe they want a gift or something to take home as well. So I have craft kits over there for sale. This is actually set up for a bingo that I am doing in person tonight. And so that's what you see on every table. Their kit that they're gonna get and their bingo and door prize. So this is set up, there's 10 tables in here currently, and we will have 20 people in here. I have my card rack that has been kind of revamped. My awesome friend and helper Karen labeled it, and we're finishing that up. And then this adhesive rack I think is gonna go on the wall as well. I had this in my last studio because we can cash and carry adhesives and we always need those. Okay, so come on down here. Again, this setup I think I mentioned last time, it's still the same. My dad has been so busy, so as soon as he gets that table done, that will go here, and then I plan to put up some shelves and get my inks and things like that up on the wall. The big reveal is going to be in this room. So come on back, because before, I don't think there was anything in here and the cabinet wasn't done. So it's done now. So come on back, and once we get in here, I'm gonna show you over to this space. So we have the cabinet painted, and I actually got to help my dad put this countertop on, so that was kind of cool. And then I have these units here that I have all of my stamps, current stamps, and they're all alphabetized. And then I have all of my dies, and then my cutter, my score, and my big embossing machine. So that's what I have over here. This is kind of my workstation. Back here, the backdrop of what most of you will see in all of my YouTube videos, which makes me so happy. I love all of the beautiful cardstock, and this is where all of my supplies are. I have my ribbon, my cardstock, and then over here, this is the table where I not only design, but it is where I film all of my videos. So it is a dual purpose space. I have my inks here, my punches, embellishments. I have a little drawer down here with all of my necessities as well. So I love this space. We have really great lighting, but that's also why you see the light here and the mount, so I can do all of my videos for you. And then the last thing is just up in the corner up here is a cute little table. And this is where my husband does all of his computer work when the days that he's in here. So again, I can't wait to hang some cute decorations on the wall and get it completely finished. But I am so happy with the outcome of the studio, how it looks from before when we started with all those cubbies and gross carpet and ugly paint and wallpaper. It has come a long way, and I couldn't have done it without my family. And so I hope you've enjoyed the journey in this process as well. Give me a comment below, let me know what you think of this. And again, be sure to watch our next series, which is going to be all on organization. And I will go through how I have organized things in here, and maybe that will help you as well. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you next time.